I'll show you how nicely it fits in this part here. So it actually just fits perfectly. Hey guys, welcome to our channel where we give quick tips as parents of 3 to help with everyday life. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a review of this Petunia Pickle Bottom diaper bag backpack. This is our first time using a backpack diaper bag and we really like it. So I want to go ahead and show you some of the features of this backpack. This is the first time that we are using a backpack diaper bag. In the past, we used Petunia Pickle Bottom tote bags. I had a smaller version and then a bigger one. Those were good, but I wanted to try a backpack this time around just so that I could be a little bit more hands-free with 3 kids. And so I must say that I really do like it. One of the things I did not like about the tote bags is whenever you put it on your shoulder and then you have to bend down and like say grab the car seat, it would fall off your shoulder. And so with this, you can just put it on your back and you're really hands-free to pick up a kid, grab the car seat carrier, things like that. And so it just really makes it easier to move around. So let me go ahead and show you some of the things about it. First, I love the color. This is like a cream color and then the rest of it's black. You can use it with a boy or a girl. Our 3rd baby is a boy. So I decided to go with this one, but honestly, I probably would have done it with the girls as well. So the color's really nice. The material that it's made out of is really good. I was just gonna go ahead and be real with this, and so it's actually a little dirty. We took it this weekend and had it in my husband's truck, and it was on the floor in the truck. So I was just gonna show you real time what it's like when you wipe it off. So as you can see, there was some dirt there, clean it up. There's a little bit of some stuff here, just a little bit of a wet cloth, and just a little bit of wiping, and it's good to go. There's a little bit of probably spit up or something, but anyways, a good wipe down and it's all good. So there it is, great material, very smooth, easy to wipe up. I didn't even have to use soap for anything. We've been using this for about 5.5 months now, and it's holding up really well. So let me talk about some of the features with the backpack. So one part that I use most for myself is this little pocket in the back here. I usually drop my phone in my wallet in here, like if we go to the doctor or the store or something like that. I don't always bring my purse, so I just bring the things that I need and stick them here. I feel like they're protected, and when I have it on my back, I can just feel that it's back there. Another spot that it has is a pocket for a bottle. So I use Dr. Brown bottles, and I will say the first time I went to go put a bottle inside of this pocket, I got really mad and thought, it doesn't even fit. Well, here's a tip. The top goes in first, and then very easily you can just pop it in there. Zips up, you're good to go. It'll keep it warm if you've warmed it up already. It's just a nice little insulated pocket. You can see there's some insulation in there. So I use that a lot also whenever we bring a bottle with us on the go. There's another pocket here. We usually put a pacifier, just small things, maybe a teether or something like that in this little pocket. And then you have the bigger part here. Plenty of space. It's got a pocket here. We usually keep our hand wipes in there. It's stretchy, can fit several different things. Also, just this really big opening. Diapers, wipes, clothes, spit up cloths, different things like that. Zippers are easy to zip up. And then it's got this really big part at the bottom here. We've used it for several different things, so it's really nice and big actually. We've put water bottles in here for ourselves. We've tucked in some diapers and wipes down in this part. Maybe whenever we have our older kids with us and they need the top part for their things, or we can put their stuff there. So really it's a good separation. Baby stuff, older kids, things like that, or our stuff and then the baby stuff. So one thing I do have for this part down here is this little insert. I'll go ahead and show you. I have not used it yet, only because we haven't really gone a whole lot of places that we would need to carry this much stuff in our diaper bag. Usually it's just a quick thing and we'll run to the store, the doctor, a family member's house, something like that. It's also Petunia Pickle bottom brand. You can put different things in here. This one has a mesh top part. Then you've got a couple little smaller compartments. You can probably put some pacifiers in here, some different bottles, maybe some medicine if you need to bring that with you. But I'll show you how nicely it fits in this part here. So it actually just fits perfectly. Zip it right up and it fits right in there. And then once you get to your destination, say that you're traveling, and you can always pull it out. And it's got little handles. You can even use it by itself without the little bags, like this. Maybe in a few months after we've used it a little bit more and I decide what I'm using these things for, I'll do a review on how I pack my diaper bag. But for now, I haven't used that, but this is still a good compartment, even if you're not using those little bags. Like I mentioned, I've used the Petunia Pickle bottom tote bags, and then we decided to go ahead and use this. And I've found that the bags hold up pretty well and they clean easily, like I showed you. But the best part is just the fact that you can put it on your back. I really think it would have benefited us to use the backpack sooner, maybe with our first and second daughters, but we're just really happy that we decided to give it a try. I think it's easiest to carry along with carrying a couple kids, holding hands as you're walking into the store, but really just the best part is it's hands-free. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more from the Family 5 Quick Tips, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell if you'd like to be notified when we upload new videos on Tuesdays. Thanks for watching.